So students, in this video we will learn about queries in MS Access. Okay, so first of all you have to understand what is query. So query, sometimes suppose we do not want to see the whole database all the time. We sometimes need to see the some specific information we want from the database. To extract the specific information, we use query in the Access. For example, if I here there are two section students data are there, that is 8th A and 8th B. As you can see, if I zoom it, so you can see here this 8th A and 8th B, there are two section students are there. So suppose I want to see the information of only 8th B students, so I can use query in MS Access. Here the database is small, suppose the database is very large, so on that case the query is very useful in Access. So to extract the record, actually we are extracting the record from the large database, okay, to make our work easier, so that we can easily see the information, whatever information we want to see, that we can see using query in MS Access. So now we will learn to how to design the query. To design the query, you have to go to the create tab. Here, as you can see, this create tab you have to click. After clicking the create tab, now you have to click this query design. Now I will click this query design. So one show table window will appear like this, as you can see. Now in this show table window, you have to select the table. Okay, so I am selecting this student record table that I have already made. Now you have to click this add button. Okay, now after adding the table you have to close it. Now see here, this this is the query window. Okay, in this query window is divided into two part, that is a top pane and the bottom pane. In the top pane, table is displayed, means whatever table you have created, fields are displayed here. Now in the bottom tab, as you can see, there are several options like field, table, sort, show, criteria, or. So one by one we will learn that. So what is field? Field is to display the fields from the selected table. Okay, it is to display the field from the selected table. It will display the field in your query. Table, what is table? Here to display the name of the table. Here the table name will be displayed. Sort, to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. If you want to arrange your data in ascending order or descending order in your query, so from here you can select ascending or descending. Okay, now show displays a check mark, which means the field will be visible when query is run. It will display the, means if it is check marked, then that particular field will be visible in your query. Criteria, here you will give the criteria to display the information. Like what criteria? Criteria means suppose you want to display the male students record only, you want to display the male student record only, then in the gender field you have to type M. Okay, and this is the OR criteria. We will learn about this in detail, but for now I am adding this field. Now we have to add the field by double clicking on it. Suppose I want to display this roll number in my query, so I will double click on it. So here, as you can see, roll number field added. Now suppose I want to display in my query student name, so I will double click on it, and then student name will also appear in your query. Then I will one by one I will double click all the fields from your class, then date of birth, and then gender also I want to display. So as you can see in your query, these fields will be displayed: roll number, student name, class, date of birth, gender. So this field will be displayed in your query. So as you can see, all the checkbox are checked. So if I will uncheck it, then that particular field will not be visible in your query, but for now I am checking it so that it will be visible. Now we will come to the, this is student record. As you can see, one option is there, ascending descending, means in alphabetical order you can arrange the student, that is roll number, or your name also in the sorry, in the student name you can arrange in the alphabetical orders. Similarly, roll number also you can arrange in from smaller to bigger, like that. And then the criteria, in the criteria section you have to give the criteria, means what type of record you want to display in the query. So for that, suppose I want to display the record of only the male student, so in this criteria section I will write M, but remember write in the inverted comma. Okay, so under the inverted comma you have to write like this. So I will type M like that, and then under the inside the inverted comma like that you have to type. So now what will happen if I run the query so the records of only the male students will be displayed in the screen. So we'll go to the run button here. As you can see, this is the run button. This is for running the query that we have set here. Okay, means we want the record of only male students. So we'll run it. So as you can see, only the male student record is being displayed. Okay, so like that. So this is how you can extract the record from your large database, and you can see the specific information, whatever information you wanted to see, that information you can see using the query in the MS Access. Okay, now we again go back to our table, and now we will learn to create a query of that the criteria and or section we will learn. So here I will go to the create, and then again I will do the query design, then I will add the table. So student record table I want to add, then I will close it. Now one by one again I will select this roll number, student name, then class, date of birth, then gender. So one by one I have selected all this. Now that is, you can see it is visible here, and all the checkboxes are checked marked. Now we will learn about this criteria and or thing. So suppose I want the record of the only suppose if I am entering here class 8th A, under the inverted comma I am writing 8th A. So like that I will write 8th and then A, so inverted comma close, and here I am writing M. So I will write M, inverted comma close. So now suppose this is the multiple criteria I am giving. Okay, not a single criteria, multiple criteria. Means now this will display the record of 8th A students and only of male students. Okay, it will not display the record of female students. Okay, so it will only display the records of 8th A male students. This is the multiple criteria. Okay, so I am now clicking on the run button. So as you can see, only the records of 8th A and male students are being displayed here.